Good morning to dear student. Myself Ramnabir Dalwadi. Today I will explain you new chapter in science. Our topic is our environment. In this chapter we will study about the environment, about the biotic factors, abiotic factors, food chain, food web, pollution, etc. Now what is the environment? Now what is the environment? Environment, that is the thing around us, is make an environment. We know that environment is very important to us. It is very important for our life, because if environment is healthy, then we are healthy. So we sustain in the environment. Now in environment, which things are there? The things are non-living things and living things. Non-living things in environment, non-living things and living things make an environment. Non-living things are known as abiotic factors. And living things, that is biotic factors. So non-living things and living things make an environment, and non-living things and living things interact with each other and make an environment. So in the environment there are biotic factors and abiotic factors. So environment is made up of biotic factors, abiotic. Now which are the biotic factors? Biotic factors, that is plants, animals, microorganisms, insects, etc. are biotic factors. And abiotic factors, that is air, temperature, wind, etc. are abiotic factors. And biotic factors and abiotic factors interact with each other and make an environment. So what is the environment? The living and non-living factors influence the environment. Living factors, that is plants, animals, insects, microorganisms. Non-living factors, that is air, temperature, wind, are non-living factors. And living factors and non-living factors interact with each other and make an environment. For example, plants. So plants, they prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Plants use carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and with the help of chlorophyll, in presence of sunlight, prepare their food. This process is known as photosynthesis. So in this process of photosynthesis, plants are biotic factors. Carbon dioxide, air, water, soil, sunlight, these are abiotic factors. So we can say that biotic factors and abiotic factors interact with each other and make an environment. Now our next topic is waste. Now what is waste? Waste, that is useless or discarded materials. Now waste may be in the form of solid, liquid or gas. Solid waste, that is for example kitchen waste, agricultural waste, they are in a solid form. Harmful chemicals mix with the water of river, pond. So we can say that this waste in a liquid form. And the harmful gases such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen oxide, these are the gaseous waste. So waste, that is useless or discarded materials, and they may be either solid, liquid or gas. Now the type of waste. There are two types of waste: biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Now what is biodegradable waste? Biodegradable waste, that is the waste which is broken down by the biological process. That is, it decomposes by the microorganism. This type of waste is known as biodegradable waste. For example, kitchen waste, sewage, cotton, cloth, etc. These are the biodegradable waste. Because the biodegradable waste, this waste is easily decomposed by the microorganism. Now next type of waste, that is non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste, that is the waste which is not broken down by the microorganism. Means it is not decomposes. It is not decomposes in, and it is remain in the soil. For example, plastic bottles, plastic containers, polythene bags, etc. So this nowadays the plastic things are prohibited by the government. So plastic bottles, plastic containers, polythene bags, they are non-biodegradable because this waste cannot be decomposed by the microorganisms and it remains in the soil for a long period of the time. So it is prohibited. Its use is prohibited by the government nowadays. Now our next topic is ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem consists of biotic components and abiotic. That is, biotic component, that is living things, plants, animals, insects, microorganisms, and abiotic components, sunlight, air, temperature, water. These both the components interact with each other and to form an ecosystem. Now, there are two types of ecosystem: natural ecosystem and man-made ecosystem. Natural ecosystem, that is, we know that forest, that is natural ecosystem. Also pond, lake are aquatic ecosystem. So we can say aquatic, forest and terrestrial. They are natural ecosystem. And man-made ecosystem, that is garden, national park are man-made ecosystem. Now in previous standard you have learned about the producers, consumers and decomposers. what are the producers? Producers, for example, plant. Because plants, they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis by using water, carbon dioxide, with the help of chlorophyll, and in presence of sunlight to make the food glucose. So we can say that plants are producers because they make their food by the process of photosynthesis. So we can say that plants are producers.